When you were young, you were overflowing with potential of what you can later specialize in, whether that may be a doctor, engineer, or politician. As you grow older, you start to be more drawn to a specific career path. Stem cells are very similar in this manner because they also have the potential to specialize into one of 200 different types of cells. In your body, you have many different types of cells, ranging from muscle cells to skin cells. Each of these types of cells can only perform one specific task. For example, skin cells have only one task, and that is to protect your body from any outside threats. Stem cells, however, have the ability to turn into any one of these types of cells based on any changes in the body that provoke it to do so. So if stem cells are this cool and have so much potential, then where do they come from? To understand this, we must first look at the two different types of stem cells: embryonic stem cells and adult stem cells. So embryonic stem cells, as the name suggests, come from embryos. When a sperm and an egg fuse together, they create the special type of cell called a zygote. This zygote divides itself through a process called mitosis and then reaches its final form as a blastocyst. Now this blastocyst has a small little section that contains our embryonic stem cells. These stem cells have the ability to divide and replicate themselves, which scientists refer to as being pluripotent. Essentially, any cell you can possibly think of created in the body can be traced back to this small little group of embryonic stem cells. Fascinating, right? Adult stem cells can be found in many different parts of the body because they act as a repair system. So if you're riding your bike and you fall off and scrape your arm, it hurts a lot, right? Then after a few weeks, it heals back up together. Ever wonder why? Well, your skin-forming stem cells, or epidermal stem cells, are constantly at work trying to repair your skin as best as possible. They move up to the surface, closing the opening, and turn into epithelial skin cells. This process for replacing old or dead cells is the same for muscle cells, nerve cells, blood cells, and the list goes on and on and on. What's even more interesting is that patients with leukemia, a cancer found in the bone marrow where red blood cells are formed, are actually given new blood-forming stem cells after going through various procedures to help their blood cells regenerate and become good as new. So the future looks bright for stem cells and regenerative medicine. I don't know about you, but I sure am excited.